Is it Compass? Canos. Full bass. He's one shy of a limit, fishing as a co-angler. What about number 5?
Got away, man. Got away.
Got away. 8 pounds and 8 ounces. But you're currently in 7th place. Not too bad.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the 9th inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night.
What is going on, guys? Man, it's been a minute. My apologies. I have not posted anything in a couple months, and a lot has happened since the last time I posted. I think my last video was it a Great Lakes one? Kentucky one? No, it was a topwater video, and that was in summer. We're dang near in the winter right now, so I've been slacking. My apologies. Life's just been in the way. It's been crazy the second half of the year. Computer being down, life getting thrown in, in your face. I'm gonna be a dad soon, so yeah, a lot has happened since my last video. But I have all the footage. Right now we're gonna be watching the 4th stop in the Great Lakes BFL division. Me and Kevin Twardowski, great guy. Kevin, if you're watching this, you're the man. Yeah, great day on the water. Caught 4 keepers. Wish I would have caught the 5th. I missed it. Didn't catch the miss on the video, but got some great footage. A lot of short catches. Got a couple of Kevin's catches, I believe. I am gonna sneak in to talk about one little thing I noticed while watching my footage, so stay tuned for that. But overall, great day on the water. From what I remember, it was a fun day. Beautiful weather, great fishing, and clutch fishing at the end. That was awesome to catch my 4th keeper at the very end, like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, so yeah, enjoy the footage. Again, my apologies for not putting out the content that I got. I'm working on it. I'm gonna be pushing harder than ever to get you guys as much content as I can. I'm gonna try to push out at least a video a week throughout this winter. But I am gonna pump out this BFL footage. The next one is gonna be the 5th stop of the Great Lakes division, and then finally the regional. I made the regional in Lake of the Ozarks. I had an awesome finish there. Stay tuned for that video as well. So thanks guys for following. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you want, and yeah, enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in a minute. No.
whole lot was fishing that last rod with a frog on it. Comes through the reason that's okay. Wait for the bar. Holy shit. And, the guy took me to yours. Give him a snack.
There you go.
And, I was fishing a frog.
Ooh. Sounds good. Net. Net. Oh. That looked good too. You got me going. Maybe. Ooh, net. Ooh, and he came off too. Yeah, nice.
Holy shit.
Very nice. Okay guys, so I'm just making a quick little clip as a tip to all my co-anglers out there. So I'm watching my footage and it just like kind of hits me when I watch this as it's happening on the footage where Kevin is catching, I believe, his first keeper. He has his first keeper on you know, hooked, and I realized I didn't even go for the net. I didn't even budge. So Kevin, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I don't know what was in my mind. I spaced out. So that's my tip for you guys as co's. Always go for the net. Always go for the net for your boater. I don't know why I didn't do it right here. And I might have done it before in other videos, but this one just kind of like was right there in my face. So something I'm gonna work on. I'm not a perfect co by any means. I'm still learning, but that's something, a big tip for you guys. Big tip. Always go for the net for your boater. Even if it's like a short, even if it looks like a short, just go for it. You never know. You don't want to cost your boater a fish. And it's just not, it's not gonna have the day go by, you know, smoothly for anybody. It's gonna create tension. So again, Kevin, I'm sorry. I didn't even try to go for the net. I apologize, but I am learning. So there you go, tip for you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, dang. Yeah. Was that one keeper out of how many do you think?
way back.
You got 9:30. Thank you, boy. Oh my god.
That's the story of my life.
You put me on him. I mean, you did call it. Yeah, definitely. For me, at least, it makes a difference in my head. I'll check them later if anything.
Acting right.
Wait, bit that.
Jesus Christ. Oh,
Dude, what are you doing? Bring him up, bring him up.
Sweet baby Jesus. Right next to where he busted. Somebody busted me.
Sorry.
Okay.
Get out of here. There you go. It might be, just might be, maybe. Oh my god, it came off on the Thank you. Thank you.
Had like a 3.5 pounder. He tries to reach out of the water, comes out, and I scoop it up just as his tail hits the water.
Maybe, just maybe. Oh yeah, 14, 15 all day. Good stuff. Ow, motherfucker. Relax, bro. You already caught it. Yeah, he's 14. Small one. Yeah. Oh no. Ah, this is small. This is small. So I'll take it. Chill out. Oh, look at that busting. Jesus Christ.
Anything worth taking a picture of? Yeah.
I think so.
Maybe. He's got a couple good ones. He pulled some fish on me today. This recording it.
Yeah, it's recording.
My knees hurt too much.
We pulled 2 fish off the wall over here. We came around the corner and we were going to go in that little bay. And we were like, I don't know if it's off limits. And then we talked to the flag boat, I missed the meeting. And he's like, there's no off limits.
Yeah.
So we went over to the wall because they were busting. And then they're busting on that.
You got him right off that wall? I told him we have 15 more minutes. You have 15.
Right where the sand comes down, where the rock starts, right there, I caught like a...
everywhere.
What do you think that one is like about? 53?
Yours? 2.5.
2.5, 2.5, 3, 2.75. Yeah. And he got a decent one, and he caught a couple shorts too. Let me see if I can...
Little one. There's a third one, I think. That last one off the wall. There's the one that's kind of
mangled up a little on the side.
Yeah, he got mangled a little bit.
But still, he pulled it behind me with a jig. It's a jig on the dock. Not bad. Not it's
huge,
not small,
but
best one of the day.
Oh, that's nice fish.
Yeah.
There you go, that's 4.
A whopping 3.
Kevin came in clutch with the 3rd fish off the board. Nice one too.
Little guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
Got a hole on his face. He's a maniac.
Feisty.
Yeah.
A nice small one. Nice. Alright.
3. Stab me.
3.
Oh well. That's a good one there. Huh?
There you go.
4 and 4. Thank you.
Kevin Twardowski, 3 bass.
Kempo.
Kevin,
Yeah.
4 bass. He's 1 shy of the limit. He can have a co-angler. What about number 5?
Got away, man. Got away.
Got away. 8 pounds and 8 ounces, 30% in 7th place. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
That's you, 5.